In this video, we are going to see how BRT shipping integration will work. So, first of all, we discuss regarding some brief about BRT shipping integration and which API we used to integrate BRT with Odoo. After that, we discuss configuration part, and then after we discuss integration part. So, we start with some brief and API document. So this shipping integration offers reliable shipping solutions. So you can perform various operations like generate shipping label, export order to BRT, track your shipment, and cancel or delete the shipments. So you don't need to go to your BRT dashboard to perform all this operation, but instead of that, you can perform all this operation from Odoo. Okay, so now we discuss which API we use. So these are the API documentation, and we use this create shipment API when we export the order from Odoo to BRT. Right? So you can see that URL and path over here. And for delete or cancel, we use this delete API. Okay, so this is the API documentation. So we now go back to Odoo, and so now we move ahead to configuration part. So in configuration we have two type of configuration. First is company level configuration, and second is shipping method level configuration. So for company level configuration, we go to settings, users and companies menu. So in that, when you open your company, you will find this BRT configuration tab over here. So when you click on this tab, you will find this checkbox. So when you click on this checkbox, you will find these three fields over here. So you have to enter API URL, user ID, and password. So these details you will get from your shipping provider. Okay, so this is first and one time configurations. You don't need to change every time. Okay, so now we move ahead to second part of configuration, which is shipping method. So for that, we go to sales menu, configuration, and shipping method. So we already created one shipping service. So we given BRT option in a provider. So when you select BRT as a provider, you will find this BRT configuration tab over here. So in that, you have to select that company in which company you set all the details of your credentials. Okay, after that, package, after that, departure depot number, after that, delivery freight type code. So you can select as per your requirement, DAP or EXW, and after that, label type, PDF or and ZPA. So you can select as per your requirement. Okay, so this is configuration part. So now we move ahead to our integration part. So for that, we go to sale order and create new sale order. And regarding service availability of BRT, so BRT shipping service is available in Italy country. So for Italy country, you can perform this BRT shipping integration. Okay, so we select customer which belongs to Italy, add some product, multiple quantity, and if you want to add shipping method from sale order, then you have to select add shipping button. So we click on this button. So when you click on this button, you will find this pop-up, and in this pop-up, shipping method drop down is available. So when you select this BRT shipping service, okay, so this BRT shipping service doesn't provide any live rate, so you don't need to click on this get rate button. Instead of it, you can just add the record. So you can see that this shipping service record is added over here. So now we confirm the sale order and go to delivery order. So in delivery order, when we go to additional info, you can see that BRT shipping service carrier is automatically fetched from sale order. And if you want to add or update shipping method from delivery order, then you can select over here. Okay, now we discuss regarding export order. So when we validate this delivery order, at the time we export order from Odoo to BRT. So in export, we pass some information about customer, some product and product weight and etc. So here multi-package functionality is also available. So if you want to send multi-parcel or multi-package in a single order, then you can do such a thing. Okay, for that you need to click on this button. Okay, so if you don't found this button over here, put in pack, you can active some configuration. So I will show you that first also. So in configuration, in settings menu, you can find packages. So when you click packages uh, checkbox and just save the record, you will find this button over here. Okay, so and one more thing, if you want to set some by default package of delivery package, for that you need to configure package. So in that, for that you have to go to inventory, configuration and package types. So when you creating some package, in that package you have to select BRT as a carrier. So when you selecting BRT as a carrier, those records will automatically come in a drop down of your default package. So before click on this button, you have to enter quantity first. So we divide this product in two package. So first we add one quantity and click on put in pack. So we selecting package and save. So these quantities goes into this package, and we set another quantity in for second package. Again click on put in pack, selecting package and save. So both of the product is assigned to particular package. So now we validate the order. At the time of validate, we receive tracking reference number and BRT parcel from shipping provider and also label. So now we validate the order. Yes, so you can see that order is validated successfully. We get tracking reference number and BRT parcel number and also two labels. Uh, we receive two labels because we use multi-package functionality. And if you have requirement like this, you can perform like this. Otherwise, you can enter full quantity in a single, we can say that single line, and do not click on that put in pack button and just validate the order. So you will get one label only. So this type of label you get from BRT shipping integration. Okay, so now there are two more functionality. First is tracking and second is cancel. So when you click on this tracking button, you will redirect to BRT and you can track your parcel. Okay, so after that cancel. So as of now we are in we are using testing credentials and we are in test environment, so cancel is not working. But when you using production credential and when you use production environment, cancel functionality will work. So these all are the details regarding BRT shipping integration. Thank you.